These are broken USB flash drives. If you also have a USB drive that isn't recognized, shows 0 bytes, or asks to be formatted, let's fix it. We're plugging the USB into the system. Oh no, it's showing a format disk error. You can see that Windows is unable to format this USB drive. Download the ChipGenius software from the link I've provided in the caption. Extract the files from the compressed folder. I've also provided the password in the caption for you. We're running ChipGenius. Here you can see the complete details of the USB flash drive. If your USB drive is detected here, there's hope. The chances of fixing it are very high. We need to focus on the controller vendor and controller part number sections. Press Ctrl+C. Your controller vendor and controller part number might be different from ours. But don't worry. You just need to search for your displayed controller part number and download the appropriate software for your chip. Right-click and paste. You need to look for the download link for WesM32 software. We'll wait for the download to complete. We open the file and extract it from the compressed folder. Here you can see most of the ASMA models. Here we run the latest available version. We click on the Map Scan button. Now we can see that our USB drive has been detected by the software. Here, the software displays the full details of the USB drive. If your USB isn't detected at this stage, don't worry. Try using other versions of the SM software. We click on the Start button. By selecting OK, the process begins. Keep in mind that all data on the USB drive will be erased. If you still have access to your files, make sure to back up beforehand, especially in cases of write protection. The process is running, and the USB drive is being repaired. If you encounter an error at this stage, don't lose hope. Keep trying and test other versions of the SM software. Most of the time, it doesn't work on the first try, so stay patient and keep going. This step may take some time, so be patient. We'll speed up this part 2 times for you. This is great. We can see that it shows pass and OK. The USB drive is now recognized as a working device by Windows. The USB drive is repaired. Now, let's check if it's fully functional. To make sure everything is fine, we'll format the USB drive once. If we don't see any errors, that means it's fully repaired. We can see that the USB drive has been repaired without any issues. We'll transfer a file to the USB drive to test the transfer speed. You can see that the speed is perfectly fine. Our dead USB drive has come back to life. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. Subscribe to our channel and bring your dead household gadgets back to life.